Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing our BoxyCharm Luxe unboxing. Is that what this is called? I think so, yes, BoxyCharm Luxe. This is the one that happens every 3 months. It's added on to your regular subscription. So if you get the regular box instead of that every 3 months, you'll get this one. And it is $50, I believe. So we're gonna just go ahead and dive right in. Opening it up, it looks like this. There is the card insert. We're not gonna look at that yet. The theme is called Pretty Edgy, same as the other box, if you got the regular little one. And there is some like brown paper in here. So we take that out. Then we've got this. Okay, I really hope there's more stuff under here. The first thing I see in here is a first, for me at least, from BoxyCharm. This is a pair of earrings. These are by Zaxi by Stephanie Taylor. Play It By Ear Pave Hoop Earrings. These are $32, embellished with brilliant pave stones on both the inside and outside channels. These sparkling pave hoop earrings shine in all directions. These retail for $32. I'm hoping they're real silver because I have very sensitive skin when it comes to like metals, and like fake metal makes me break out really bad. So hopefully, or not really break out, but it makes my ears really red, and like I can't wear fake earrings. Makes them hurt. These are super cute. There's the inside with the stones. So hopefully I can wear these because I really like those. Those are really cute. I've never seen jewelry in a BoxyCharm though. The next thing in here is by BoxyCharm. This is the Hello Charmer Shimmer Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. Cute. I like the packaging. Okay. I would do that. Can't reach it. Oh my goodness. I'm too short. Hopefully I didn't just shatter this, but okay, no, it's still good. Opening it up, there is a mirror, and then you get all of those beautiful shades in there. Ooh, a swipe up is real pretty. Ooh, very, very glittery. That is just like a full-on pressed glitter. I really thought it was just like a shimmery shade. And there's a matte shade called Boxy. Let's do, ooh, this metallic called Luxe. These actually look really nice. Oh, wow. Yeah, those are super soft and super pretty. Okay. This retails for $39. I guess I don't even know if they're cruelty free, but I think, yes, they are cruelty free because I looked it up on the head brushes. So, taking that out, there is another layer of the brown paper. Then we get this guy. I did know I was getting this because everybody is. I was kind of hoping I got the green one, but that's okay. This is by PMD. I guess I don't know. I would assume they're cruelty free, but I don't know. I'll have to look that up. And I, of course, will leave all this down below. But this retails for, don't know, $99. PMD Clean is a smart facial cleansing device with over 7,000 vibrations per minute. Our Sonic Glow technology not only ensures a deep cleanse, but provides a way to lift, firm, and tone problem areas for a more youthful appearance. Well, I already look like I'm 12, but I'm definitely down for this. The brush I use now to like wash my face and cleanse my face is super abrasive. Ooh, very soft. Battery's not in there right now, but you do get one, which is always nice. So I'll put that back in there for now. I will definitely try this out and let you guys know how I feel about it though. I'm running out of places to stick things. Ooh, by Murad. This is the Hydro Dynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. I think I have a little baby of this. I do. I have a little baby guy of this. So I don't want to open this one, but I will swatch this one for you because I don't know. You need to see a swatch of a little cream, I guess. But it's super nice, super moisturizing. It's like heavy without being obnoxiously heavy. It just feels really nice on the skin. I like this stuff a lot. I try to like not use it as much as possible, but now that I have a big one, I'm okay with using that little baby guy. This retails for $70. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, next, yay, Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I love this stuff. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a candle, but like a really good candle. It's like coconutty. I don't know what else the scent that I smell is, but it's like coconut and something. Maybe like shea butter or like cocoa butter or something like that. Sol de Janeiro. Oh, is there two in here? Oh, there is two. Oh, what is this one? This is the Coco Cabana Cream Duo. $15 for the Duo. Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, which helps visibly tighten the appearance of skin with an addictive pistachio and salted caramel scent. Okay, salted caramel, that's what I'm smelling, not, it smells like coconut and something, but I think it's salted caramel that I'm smelling. The Coco Cabana Body Cream, which is this one, provides 72 hours of hydration with a deliciously complex fragrance of young green coconut cream, tropical orchid, and toasted praline. Yes, please. I love this color also. That smells like heaven. This one's better. But it's like not even half full, which is upsetting. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. I definitely smell the toasted praline and then like the coconut lingers. I'm down for that. The next thing, oh, I've always wanted to try one of these. This is the Invisibobbles. Yes, the Invisibobbles. These are pretty cheap, I'm pretty sure. $8, yeah. But this is supposed to be like a hair tie, but it doesn't hurt your hair. And my hair, oh, there's so many of them. There's 3 in here. I thought it was just one big one. But these are supposed to be hair ties that are more gentle on your hair so that it doesn't like tangle as much. Not the cutest looking thing, but you should be able to just pull it out. Oh, maybe not. Okay, didn't hurt as bad as it like normal hair ties do, but I'm excited about that for sure. Okay, first product I'm disappointed in. This is by NARS. This is the Power Matte Lip Pigment. It's $25. It's in the shade Give It Up. I'm not gonna swatch this for you guys just because it's not cruelty free, so I won't be using it, but that is the color. It's a really pretty color. NARS is one of those brands that I'm like sad about because they used to be cruelty free and now they're not. Okay, one more thing, and this is by Becca. This is the Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. I don't know if I want to swatch this either. This retails for $28. I'll swatch it. I don't really want to though, because I don't think I'm going to use it, but we'll see. Ooh, the packaging's cute. It's like all silver with white lettering. Where do I smell everything? There is what it looks like. It's pretty. It just looks like glossy. Yeah, you can't like, there's not really like color to it. It's just like gloss. Weird. How are you supposed to use this? Your post-facial glow in a stick, an ultra sheer translucent highlighter that imparts a dewy glass-like sheer to skin, enhanced or enriched with Becca's Glow Nectar Brightening Complex for healthier looking, more radiant skin. One use universal shades creates a glass-like ethereal glow on all skin tones. Okay, I'm actually down to try this. I don't really love like stick products or like cream products, but we'll try. Okay, that's everything, you guys. Let's do our quick little recap here. The stick, I'm iffy about. Like, I'm not super excited, but I'm not like mad about it either. The NARS thing, I don't want. The little Bum Bum Cream set, I'm super pumped for. Like, super pumped. The PMD little cleanser thing, I'm excited for. I hope it's cruelty free. Otherwise, I'm gonna be very sad. But if it is cruelty free, definitely down. What else do we have in here? The Murad cream, obviously down. Murad makes great products that I really, really enjoy. The palette looks gorgeous. Like, I don't know, they killed it with this. Based on swatches alone, they killed it with this. I shouldn't say that yet, but it looks really nice and I'm excited about it. The earrings are super, super cute. And I think it's cool that we got something that's like not makeup in here, which I mean, of course I love getting makeup, but something new, something we haven't seen before, so that's cool. Is that everything? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that's everything. Okay, so that is this month's box. Let me know down below if you guys got anything different, what you're liking, what you're not liking, that kind of thing. Don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.